Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do a little arts and crafty. So I have this little dinner table, but I'm going to be using it as my laptop table. So I'm just going to decorate it a little bit. So these are some little stickers that I got from the Dollar Tree. And so they say take me to Paris. The other ones were like kitty stickers, and I'm really not trying to do that. So this little thing kebab. I don't even know what it's called, but it came with all these little stickers or whatever. I really think it's supposed to go on your wall, but anyways. So I'm just gonna apply the stickers onto the little table, and once I have them onto the table, I got these little flyers, these little flowers from the Dollar Tree too. And I'm just gonna take them off the little stem, and I'm going to glue them to the side and the middle of the table. And it's just gonna, I don't know. I didn't really know where I was going with this, but I'm like, hey, it turned out kind of cute. So okay, so I'm just going to add little green leaves in between them just to make it look more natural. And that's all I'm going to do. Oh, I'm going to add some little glitter too. This is like glitter glue. And I just added some little squigglies just for a little design effect. And this is how it turned out. It was super easy. I like doing easy arts and crafts. So if you want to see more videos like this, please comment below. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.